In today's fast-paced digital age, our lives are intricately connected to the devices we use, whether it's your trusty computer, tablet, or your ever-present smartphone. These tools are essential for work, communication, and entertainment. However, what happens when they break down or encounter issues? That's where ITTSforAll comes in, your one-stop destination for professional computer and phone repair. The heart of ITTSforAll at ITTSforAll. We understand the frustration that comes with a malfunctioning device. Your computer might be your lifeline to your professional world, while your smartphone is your gateway to staying connected with friends and family. Our team is dedicated to restoring these crucial links in your life, ensuring you get back to work, communication, and leisure without any hiccups. Our expertise. One of the key pillars of ITTSforAll is our team's expertise. We have a team of highly skilled technicians who are well-versed in diagnosing and repairing a wide range of computer and smartphone issues. Whether it's a cracked screen, a virus infection, or a performance problem, we have the knowledge and experience to fix it promptly and efficiently. Repairing possibilities, our tagline. Your tech, our expertise. ITTSforAll, repairing possibilities, encapsulates our commitment to offering you more than just a repair service. We believe in opening up a world of possibilities for you. When your devices are in good working condition, you can pursue your dreams, enhance your productivity, and stay connected with the people who matter most. Get in touch. Don't let technical glitches disrupt your life. Contact ITTSforAll today and let us work our magic on your computers and phones. Your tech, our expertise. ITTSforAll, repairing possibilities is more than a tagline. It's our promise to you. Remember, your tech is in good hands with ITTSforAll. Let's get your devices back to their prime and explore all the possibilities they have to offer.